Hello everyone, so today we are going to be reviewing the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 vacuum mop cleaning. So if you're looking for a powerful and high performance vacuum cleaner, you probably will look for the iRobot because it's a great option and with affordable price so you can use to clean your house. It pulls everyday dirt and has four stage of cleaning system. So you can adjust to different type of floors and avoid getting tangled with pet hair. So this is the iRobot vacuum and this is my review for today. I hope you guys like it and thanks for watching.